So this problem is a little different than the previous three problems that I made videos of for you, Jaysa. This one says that a particular fruit's weights are normally distributed with a mean of 719 grams and a standard deviation of 17 grams. It says the heaviest 5% of fruits weigh more than how many grams? So let's picture this. We've got a normal curve. The heaviest would be up here, where this area above it is equal to 5% or 0.05. And what we want to do is not use the table, but rather our calculator, and find this weight of this particular fruit that would be at the lowest end of the heaviest 5%. So using our calculator, we're really working in the opposite direction of what we were doing in the previous three problems. We know the probability, which is the same as the area under the normal curve, but this time we want to find the raw score, whereas in the previous examples we knew the raw score and wanted to find the probability. So the first thing we have to think about is what is the area below, or the proportion below that x value. Because the area under a normal curve is always equal to a total of 1, then this area below would have to be 1 minus the area above given, which would be 0.95. And so now we're working in the opposite direction. So now instead of using normal CDF, we're going to do inverse norm. It's found under the same menu, second variables, but it's option 3. And the first thing you do is you give it the area below, 0.95. Then you give it the mean, and then finally the standard deviation. And when you hit enter, it's going to give you that value x, that weight of that fruit, that would be at the lowest end of the upper 5% of this normal distribution. And to the nearest gram, that would be 746.96, which would round to 747 grams.